Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Mia Academy. Today we have a next topic that is equal matrix. Before discuss the question, we need to discuss about the equal matrix. So about the definition of equal matrix, we have a definition that two matrices are said to be equal if and only if they have the same order. Both of the matrices are of the same order and corresponding elements are identical. Now we need to identify this definition, that how two matrices are equal. Here there is a two things. First of all is we have to check its order of a matrix, and then we need to check the order of matrices, and then we need to check about their elements. Elements should be identical. So we have an example that if we talk about it example, let's suppose we have a matrix A that is 1, 2, 3 and 4, and let's suppose another matrix that is B. If we write this matrix same as it is A, then we can write it as 1, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1. Now if we check the order of the matrix A, then its order is 2 by 2. And if we check about the order of the B, then its order is also 2 by 2. Both of the matrices have order 2 by 2. Now the next thing is elements should be identical. If we check about the elements of a matrix A, then we have the elements 1, 2, 3 and 4. And now if we move to the matrix B, we have element correspondence to 1, there is also one element. Correspondence to 2, we have also a 1 plus 1 that is equals to 2. If we talk about 3, then there is also correspondence 3, but we have identical elements correspondence to each other. 4, we have also 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. So the matrices A and B both have identical elements. So we can say that matrix A and B both are equal. If we let's suppose another matrix that is C, and we take it as 1, 3, 9, 4. 1, 3, 2 and 4. Its order is same as it is of the ordered A matrix. But if we talk about their correspondence element, then correspondence to 1 is also a 1. But correspondence to 3, there is a 2 in a matrix A. So we can say that this matrix is not same as the matrix A. Matrix elements of the matrix C is not same as it is of the matrix A. So we say that matrix A is not equal to matrix C. This is the result. Now we move to the questions. We have a next question of the exercise, that is question number 2, and the question statement is that which one of the following matrices are equal. We need to show that which matrices are equal. So according to the concept of the equal matrices, if we talk about this question, we have the statements that are given. If we talk about the first 4 questions, then we have the matrices that A is equals to matrix 3, B is equals to 3 and 5, C is equals to 5 minus 2, and D is equals to 5 and 3. If we talk about the matrices which one of them are equal. Then if we check about the matrix A, we have 3 and its order is 1 by 1 because it has one row and one column. Order is 1 by 1. And now we have to check matrix A is equals to which matrix. So if we talk about these 4 matrices, there is only one matrix that is equals to C, that is equals to A, and this is the same matrix because here C is just a matrix that if we solve it matrix, we get here C is equals to 5 minus 2 is equals to 3, and this is same as it is as A. So we can say that matrix A is equals to matrix C. This is the question number 1 that have a solution. So we can say that question 1 is equals, part number 1, matrix A is equals to matrix C. Question number 3rd. Now if we talk about the matrix B, we have a 3 and 5 and its order is 1 by 2. And if we talk about the matrix D, we also have a matrix that is, we also have its order that is 1 by 2 as it is. So both B and D have the equal order. But now the second thing is that their correspondence element. But B have the element 3 and 5 and D have 5 and 3. Both have the different correspondence because 3 corresponds to 5 and 5 corresponds to 3. So the order is same, but here the elements are not identical. So we can say that B and D matrices are not equal. B is not equal to D. We have a solution. We have a next matrices that is B and I. If we talk about the matrix B, we have 3 and 5. And if we talk about the matrix I, we have 3 into 3 plus 2. And 3 plus 2 is also equals to 5. 3 plus 2 is also equals to 5. So these two matrices, both of them, B and I, have the same order. We can say that because B has an order, have an order that is 1 by 2. And also I have an order same as it is as 1 by 2. Both have a 1 row and 2 columns, so they have the same order and now they have the same identical elements. So we can say that B and I, both of them are equal. Both of these matrices are equal. Now if we move to the next question, we have a D. In a question number 2, there is a no matrix that is equals to D because its order is 1 by 2, and also there is a no identical element in another matrix that match to matrix D. So we can say that matrix D has no equal matrix. So move to the next question. We have E and J. E is equals to 4062 and J is equals to 2 plus 2, 2 minus 2, 2 plus 4 and 2 plus 0. Both of them have, firstly we talk about the order. Both of them have order. Both of the matrices have order. Has order 2 by 2. Now if we talk about their correspondence element, both of them have to have the same order. First condition is satisfied. Now move to the next. We have their identical elements. If there is a 4, that is also corresponds to 4. 2 plus 2 is also equals to 4. Here is a 0, that is corresponds to 2 minus 2 is a 0. Here is 6, 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. 2 plus 0 is equals to 2. So we can say that E and J, both matrices have identical element. Has identical elements. So E is equals to J. E and J, both matrices are equal. Okay, we have a next part, that is F and G. Both of these matrices have an order. Both of these matrices has 2 by 1, because they have two rows and one column. Now if we talk about their identical elements, then also we have here a 2, that is correspondence to 3 minus 1 is also equals to 2. And if we talk about 6, 3 plus 3 is also equals to 6. So these two have a same correspondence, identical elements exist. So we can say that F is equals to G. Both of these matrices are equal. Here is the end of the question number 2. I hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe.